This is a very beautiful male from Mr.Duru and Molecula. Very strong, big bones, big shoulders. Amazing male. Bun. This is a female from Mr.Duru and Molecula. A very strong female, you can see. At this age, it's full of muscle. A very big head, beautiful head, big bones, big chest, big shoulders, look. Very strong neck, amazing. Well, and this is another female from Mr.Duru and Molecula. A very beautiful female and very strong. He looks like a male. Look at the neck, how strong it is. The shoulders are amazing, very big. Big chest, big bones, big head and body. This is BIGDOGS Romania Kennel. Best bloodline American body pocket in the world.